Welcome everyone to a conference that we're holding in Jaipur in December this year. This is going to be our fourth neuroimaging conference, again led by Professor Karina Haratz, whom you know as one of the pioneers in brain imaging. She introduced brain imaging to India and has been mentoring many students across the country. So the Neuro Summit is going to have two halls. The first hall will be for those who are have started their journey in neuroimaging. So it's going to be much more gentle, much more an introduction to the subject, much more on counseling. Whereas the hall 2 will be for those who are much more advanced, who've been doing neuroimaging for some years and want to integrate lots of other things into it, want to learn MRI, want to learn genetics, and go into the depths of counseling. Other than that, the new thing that we've introduced this year is our partnership with the Fetal Medicine India Trust. As you know, the FMF-I Trust has just formed this year. This is under the patronage of Professor Nicolaides, and it is to facilitate obtaining the FMF-UK certifications of competence. In Jaipur, we are going to concentrate on the FMF-UK anomaly certification. So again, on day 1, we will have some mandatory theory, and on day 2, we are going to split the delegates into small batches, where around a patient, a lead mentor will scan and show what is required of the anomaly certification process. And then for those who feel that they are competent, who've submitted their logbook of images on the FMF India site and who have attended the Jaipur program, they will be eligible for having their practical exit exam, which will be conducted in the afternoon. So I welcome you for that, along with my co-FMFI founders, Dr. Suresh, Dr. Purana, and Dr. Pratima Radhakrishnan. So I hope to see you all in Jaipur, and there's something for everyone there, whether it's advanced imaging or whether it is getting your certificate of competence. Do come and meet us. See you then.